People are messaging you but your Instagram DM won't load on iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram DMs not loading on iPhone. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have strong internet connection. And try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try turning on and off airplane mode. Force close Instagram app. Turn off VPN if connected. If still you are facing the issue, try advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser on your iPhone. Next, tap on the search box and type downdetector.com without any space. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search Instagram. Next, tap Instagram from here. Then scroll down. Here, you can see whether the Instagram app is officially down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Offload Instagram app. Open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app again. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background app refresh. Again, tap on Background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the Instagram app. Make sure to toggle it on. If still you are facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your problem is fixed now. Thanks for watching. See ya!